Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to embed your Base44 web app into your WordPress website. Just follow these steps so you can display your Base44 app directly on any page. First, open your browser and search for WordPress. Make sure you're on the correct website, then log in with your account. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, select the website where you want to embed your Base44 app. Click the three dots and choose Open Site. Then at the top, click Edit Page. Now, on the editor screen, click the WordPress logo on the top left. Go to Pages, then choose the page where you want to embed your Base44 app. You can also create a new page if you want. For this example, I'll open the Resources page and click Edit. Next, add a new block. Click the plus button and make sure you're on the Block tab. Scroll down to Design, click Columns, and choose the one-column layout. Inside the column, click the plus button again, then click Browse All. Search for custom HTML, select it, and then click Edit HTML. Now paste your embed code here, but before that, you'll need to replace the link in the code with your Base44 web app link. So open a new tab and go to Base44. Log in with the account that contains the app you want to embed. Select the app and make sure it is already published. Then go to Dashboard. Open Overview and make sure Require Login Access is unchecked. Your app must be public or it won't load inside WordPress. After checking this, click Publish, then copy your app's link. Go back to WordPress and paste your link beside SRC in the HTML code. Once done, click Update. Finally, make sure your site is saved, and that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily embed your Base44 app inside your WordPress website anytime.